Launched out here in Ozello today. Gorgeous morning. It's supposed to be windy later, but we'll be off the water before then. Hopefully we can catch a few fish before it gets windy. Monster. Keep reeling, Brody. That's like a 20-inch trout. Wow, Brody. Brody's first cast against a big trout. Give you on your phone. Bro, that's a giant.
Should I keep him?
Yeah. Keep reeling. Good job, Brody. You did it all by yourself. You're out fishing me again. That's a big trout.
Wow.
Look at that, Brody. There's a monster.
Jeez, dude.
Do you like my pole now?
Yep, I mean, every day now. Good one.
That's a monster, dude.
Can you keep him?
Yeah, he's a keeper. He just spit the hook. Let your mom cast him back out there. You caught it all by yourself? Get him in the boat.
Get him in the boat.
Good job, Brody. You're out fishing us, Brody. Good job.
Oh my goodness.
How's that, Brody? Isn't that cool? That thing was running like a rocket. That thing is moving, Kelly. Like, yeah, it looks like you hooked a shark. You're getting bullied by that ladyfish. That thing's a monster. You're getting dragged around by a ladyfish. Good lord. That thing's huge. Brody, get the net ready for her. That thing is huge. Poor man's tarpon. Net him, Brody. That's a lot of redfish bait. That's a big shark bait, actually. Oh, open your bill, Kelly. Open your bill. How are you out fishing us? You got a sea bass? You can't even catch a fish. I just put the gulp in the rod holder and it caught a trout. It's a keeper.
Baby!
I'm killing it.
You're with the same height as mine, Justin.
Yours is bigger.
No, I should just let it be.
Yeah, just throw it out and put the rod. Look at that, on the jerk shad. There's a keeper. Look at that one. Oh yeah. Second cast with the jerk shad. The trout are here, man. That's on the Z-Man. Kelly, my pole's got a big fish on. You're not watching the bobber very well.
Oh, that's a big fish.
What do you got, Kelly? It's a monster. You even had fish? Little sea bass? There you go. Open the cooler for mine. I got a real fish. That it might be. Kelly got herself a trout. He swallowed it. He's been on there 10 minutes.
I don't know. Trying to get some. Aw. She's a lady.
There we go. Big trout on the swim bait. Watch out, Brody.
Ugh.
Keeper trout on the swim bait. Yep. Open the live well. Or the cooler. Ready? Look, she's got a big trout. There's a 5th keeper. Good job, Kelly, on the nuclear chicken.
Brody, how?
Net it.
Net.
Put it in the water. Good job. Good job, Kelly.